Welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's going on here? Where's erase? This thing? Alright, let's look at this. Why can't we do x squared plus 2x plus 5 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 8? Why can't the x squareds cancel? There's an x squared on the top and an x squared on the bottom, right? Let's just do this. There, this is the same as 2x plus 5 over 3x plus 8, except it's not. Why not? Because of the implied parentheses. They are there, which means all of this divided by all of this. You're like saying, but why can't we just take that little part out? Well, depending on what x is, x squared takes on a certain value. And that value needs to be added into these other values before the division can take place. Let's take an example. That's not the example. What if we had 10 plus 1 plus 8 over 10 plus 1 plus 4? If we just cancel all that stuff, we get 8 over 4, which is 2. But if we don't cancel it, we get 19 over 15, which does not equal 8 over 4. So we can't just cancel that stuff. And it's again because of these bad boys. All right. All of that divided by all of that. I can't think of anything else to say about that, so let's move on. If you were to want to, let's take that same example. Slightly different example, but it'll work. If you wanted to split this apart, you could take x squared over x squared plus 2x plus 8 plus 3x over x squared plus 2x plus 8 plus 5 over x squared plus 2x plus 8. Now, why are we allowed to break it apart like that? Well, these all have the same denominator, so it's x squared chopped up into this many pieces plus 3x chopped up into this many pieces plus 5 chopped up into this many pieces. Basically, this is a property of distribution that you can split it up like that. But notice how it didn't get any better. Like this is worse, and you still can't cancel anything unless you factored out an x, which would just leave you, you'd have to factor an x out of everything. What am I talking about? I'm talking about trying to pull this x out of here. So this would be just x, this would be just 2, but this last one would be 8 over x. And now you could cancel 1 power of x out. So in that case, this one part of it will become x over x plus 2 plus 8 over x. Okay, how is that better? It's not. No one does this. So the real thing to do is to factor them into binomials like this. All right, which these are not factorable with whole numbers, so it's not going to help. Okay, don't forget to like and